What's up guys, it's Andrew at Beat It AT P&P. I'm going to show you guys how I made this 21 Savage Metro Boomin style beat. I'll go ahead and play the intro and stop it at the second chorus.
Beat It AT, what up? Beat It AT, what up?
Alright, so the melody sample or the melody sample composition is from the AT Savage sample loop and MIDI kit. I'll put the link to that in the description down below. And the drum samples or the drum files are from the Enviral Abyss drum kit, which I'll put the link to that in the description as well. We got the 808 first, which is up here. We'll just go from bottom down and then we'll work our way through the different drum patterns. 808 is actually from the melody sample composition folder. So here's the folder. This is everything you get. You get the MIDI, which you got the 808s, the bitter glitches, flute, gentle grains, piano, and string spiccato. So as you can hear, the 808 in the original version does not have all that distortion. So what I added was a EQ and decapitator, and then a little bit more EQ, and then I made it mono and then pulled it down a little bit. Without it. I wanted it to have more body. So next we had this. Then we had this, which is the flute. And if you guys want the MIDI, like I said, the MIDI is included in that sample kit. Gentle grains. Kind of like the bells in the background. Here's the piano. And that's the strings. And then here is the first drum pattern. Like I said, all these drums are from Enviral's Abyss drum kit, which is personally my favorite drum kit as of recently. In the first drum pattern, I don't have the kick. You can see each one, there's different drum patterns that we made. There's a total of 4 different ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this one has 2 claps, a snare, 2 claps, hi-hats, and then some drill hi-hats. Then it has these other hats. Then we have an open hat. And then we go into this part, which we have the kick. So I have the kick hitting at pretty much all the same points that the 808 is hitting. Then going into the verse, we get rid of the bitter glitches, the flute, and then the spiccato. And we also get rid of the open hat and then the kick. So So we bring in the drums, which have the open hat but no kick. Then in the bridge section, we get rid of the kick. So I also cut the end of drums 4. So it kind of has a lead in going into that chorus again. And then I just loop it the same measure over here. Then for the outro, that's pretty much it. I disabled True Iron and Ozone 8 for the sake of demonstration, since it uses up some of the CPU, and I don't have enough CPU to run everything, as well as my screen recorder apparently. So there's that. But True Iron and then Ozone 8 on the master. A little bit of EQing, nothing crazy. Most of the levels, nothing really that crazy. For the clap, did a little bit of EQing to make sure the clap is punchy and comes through the mix. Made one of the claps mono, kept one of them how they were. Kick, I just had sound goodizer on the kick. I liked how the kick sounded already, but the sound goodizer gives it a little bit more punch or depth because it's doing compression on multiple bands, so it worked well with that kick. At least that's what I think. Yeah, I mean, that was pretty much it. And pull down the volume at the end. If you guys want the sample kits, the links are in the description. And yeah, this is Andrew at Beat It AT. If you like this, leave a comment down below and subscribe. And let me know what you guys think, and if you guys want any other specific tutorials or any other specific videos or samples. See ya.